Jamaica has 163 confirmed cases of the coronavirus COVID-19, following 20 new additional cases over the last 24 hours. The other 3 are from St. Catherine. 2 of that numbers are workers, both female, aged 33 and 19 years. The third case is a 42-year-old male who is under investigation. Those 3 cases bring to 33 the number of imported cases. 39 are contact of confirmed cases. 6 are from local transmission, not epidemic link, and 68 under investigation. 62 of that 68 was at Alorica. 62 workers, 55 are from St. Catherine, while 4 are from Kingston and St. Andrew. Those is 1 case each from Clarendon, St. Thomas, and Portland. So far, 1,516 samples have been tested for the virus. 163 are positive, 1,353 are negative.